Welcome to our video on the 9 signs. You're destined to be a light worker. Have you ever felt a deep calling to help others? Do you find yourself drawn to spiritual topics and feel a strong connection to something greater than yourself? If so, you might be a light worker. In this video, we'll explore the signs that point to this special path and help you understand if it's your destiny. Let's start by understanding what a light worker is. A light worker is someone who feels called to spread positivity, healing, and spiritual awareness in the world. They often have a strong sense of purpose and a desire to make a difference in people's lives. Light workers come from all walks of life and can be found in various professions, but they share a common goal of raising the vibration of the planet and helping others awaken to their true potential. Now, let's dive into the first sign that you might be destined to be a light worker: strong empathy. Do you often find yourself feeling other people's emotions as if they were your own? Can you walk into a room and instantly sense the mood or energy? This heightened sensitivity to others' feelings is a hallmark of light workers. You might notice that you're the person friends and family turn to when they need a shoulder to cry on or someone to listen without judgment. This deep empathy allows you to connect with others on a profound level, offering comfort and understanding in times of need. But strong empathy isn't just about feeling emotions. It also involves sensing the energy of people and places. You might walk into a space and immediately feel whether it's positive or negative. This ability to pick up on subtle energies can be both a gift and a challenge. While it allows you to help others by understanding their emotional state, it can also be overwhelming at times. Learning to manage and protect your energy is crucial for light workers with strong empathy. The second sign that you might be destined to be a light worker is a deep desire to heal. This doesn't necessarily mean you want to become a doctor or a traditional healer, although some light workers do pursue these paths. Instead, it's about having a natural inclination to support and comfort others in various ways. You might find yourself drawn to alternative healing modalities like Reiki, acupuncture, or energy work. Or you might simply have a knack for saying the right words to make someone feel better when they're down. This desire to heal often manifests as a strong urge to make a positive difference in the world. You might feel a sense of joy and fulfillment when you're able to help someone overcome a challenge or find peace in a difficult situation. This healing energy doesn't just apply to individuals. Many light workers feel called to heal communities, societies, or even the planet as a whole. You might be passionate about environmental causes, social justice, or spiritual growth, seeing these as ways to bring healing to a larger scale. The third sign that you might be destined to be a light worker is an attraction to spiritual topics. Do you find yourself drawn to books, videos, or discussions about metaphysics, energy work, or alternative healing? Are you fascinated by concepts like meditation, chakras, or past lives? This interest in spiritual and esoteric subjects is common among light workers. You might feel a deep resonance with these topics, as if you're remembering something you've always known rather than learning something new. This attraction to spiritual topics often goes hand in hand with a desire to seek deeper meaning in life experiences. You might find yourself questioning the nature of reality, pondering the purpose of life, or exploring different belief systems. This curiosity about the spiritual aspects of existence can lead you on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. As a light worker, you may feel called to share the insights and wisdom you gain from this exploration with others, helping them to expand their own spiritual awareness. The fourth sign that you might be destined to be a light worker is a heightened sensitivity to energy. This goes beyond just feeling empathy for others. It's about being acutely aware of the subtle energies that surround us all. You might notice that you're easily affected by the moods and emotions of those around you, even when they're not expressing them openly. Crowded places might feel overwhelming as you pick up on the energy of many people at once. This sensitivity to energy can also extend to physical environments. You might walk into a room and immediately sense whether positive or negative events have occurred there. Some light workers can even pick up on the energy of objects, feeling the history or emotions associated with them. While this sensitivity can be a powerful tool for understanding and helping others, it can also be challenging to manage. You might find that you need regular alone time to recharge and clear your energy field. Learning to ground yourself and protect your energy is essential for light workers with this sensitivity. Practices like meditation, spending time in nature, or using visualization techniques can help you maintain your balance and prevent energy overload. By mastering these skills, you can use your sensitivity as a powerful tool for healing and guidance without becoming overwhelmed. The fifth sign that you might be destined to be a light worker is experiencing vivid dreams or visions. Do you often wake up with a clear memory of your dreams, feeling as if they hold important messages? Do you sometimes have flashes of insight or knowings during your waking hours that seem to come from beyond your conscious mind? These experiences are common among light workers and can be a way of receiving guidance or information from higher realms. Your dreams might be highly symbolic or feel more real than ordinary dreams. You might find yourself meeting spiritual guides, visiting other dimensions, or receiving teachings in your sleep state. Some light workers even report having prophetic dreams that offer glimpses of future events or solutions to problems. Similarly, daytime visions or flashes of insight can provide valuable guidance or inspiration for your path as a light worker. These experiences often come with a feeling of being connected to something greater than yourself. You might sense that you're tapping into a universal source of wisdom or communicating with higher aspects of your own consciousness. While these experiences can be profound and enlightening, they can also be confusing or overwhelming at times. Learning to interpret and integrate the messages from your dreams and visions is an important part of developing your abilities as a light worker. The sixth sign that you might be destined to be a light worker is having a strong intuition. Do you often just know things without being able to explain how? Do you find that when you trust your gut feelings, things tend to work out well? This heightened intuition is a common trait among light workers and can be a powerful tool for guiding both yourself and others. Your intuition might manifest in various ways. You might get a sudden urge to call a friend, only to find out they were in need of support. Or you might have a strong feeling about a decision even when it doesn't seem logical on the surface. Some light workers describe their intuition as a quiet inner voice, while others experience it more as a physical sensation in their body. As a light worker, learning to trust and follow your intuition is crucial. It can guide you towards the people and situations where your light is most needed. It can also help you navigate challenges and make decisions that align with your higher purpose. However, it's important to balance your intuitive insights with practical wisdom. While your intuition can be a powerful guide, it's also valuable to consider facts and logic when making important decisions. Developing your intuition often involves quieting your mind and learning to listen to your inner guidance. Practices like meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature can help you tune into your intuitive wisdom. As you become more comfortable trusting your intuition, you may find that it becomes an invaluable tool in your work as a light worker. The seventh sign that you might be destined to be a light worker is feeling different or misunderstood. Have you always felt like you don't quite fit in with societal norms? Do you sometimes feel like you're looking at the world from a different perspective than those around you? This sense of being different is common among lightworkers and can be both challenging and empowering. From a young age, you might have felt like you saw the world differently than your peers. You might have been more interested in spiritual or philosophical questions, or more sensitive to the emotions and energies around you. This can sometimes lead to feelings of isolation or being misunderstood, especially if you grew up in an environment that didn't support or understand your unique perspective. However, this feeling of being different is often a sign that you're here to bring new ideas and perspectives to the world. As a light worker, your unique viewpoint is valuable. It allows you to see solutions and possibilities that others might miss. Your ability to think outside the box and challenge conventional wisdom can be a powerful force for positive change. Learning to value and trust your unique perspective is an important part of embracing your role as a light worker. While it can be challenging to feel different, remember that your unique qualities are what enable you to bring light and healing to the world in your own special way. Finding communities of like-minded individuals can also help you feel more understood and supported on your path. The eighth sign that you might be destined to be a light worker is feeling drawn to nature. Do you find peace and renewal in natural settings? Do you feel a deep connection with plants, animals, or the elements? This affinity for nature is common among light workers and can be a source of both healing and inspiration. You might find that spending time in nature helps you feel grounded and centered. A walk in the forest, time spent by the ocean, or even tending to houseplants might leave you feeling rejuvenated and more connected to your inner wisdom. This connection to nature often goes beyond just enjoying its beauty. Many light workers feel a deep sense of kinship with the natural world, as if they can communicate with plants or animals on an energetic level. This connection to nature can be a powerful tool in your work as a light worker. It can help you stay balanced and centered, even when dealing with challenging situations or energies. It can also be a source of guidance and inspiration. Many light workers find that their best ideas or clearest insights come when they're immersed in natural settings. Moreover, this connection to nature often fuels a desire to protect and heal the environment. Many light workers feel called to work towards ecological balance and sustainability, seeing it as an essential part of their mission to bring light and healing to the world. Whether through activism, education, or simply living in a more eco-conscious way, this aspect of being a light worker can have a profound impact on the planet. The ninth and final sign that you might be destined to be a light worker is having a strong sense of life purpose. Do you have a deep knowing that you're here for a reason? Do you feel called to make a positive impact on the world, even if you're not sure exactly how? This sense of purpose is at the core of being a light worker. You might have felt this sense of purpose from a young age, or it might have developed over time as you've grown and evolved. It often comes with a feeling of restlessness or dissatisfaction with ordinary life, as if you know there's something more you're meant to be doing. This can be both exciting and challenging, as you may feel a sense of urgency to fulfill your purpose, even when the path isn't clear. As a light worker, your sense of purpose is often tied to helping others or contributing to the greater good in some way. You might feel called to heal, teach, create, or lead, or perhaps a combination of these. The specific form your purpose takes can vary widely, as light workers are needed in all areas of life. What's important is the underlying motivation to bring more light, love, and positive change into the world. Discovering and living your purpose as a light worker is often a journey of self-discovery. It may involve trying different paths, learning new skills, and being open to unexpected opportunities. It's important to remember that your purpose may evolve over time and that you can fulfill it in many different ways. The key is to stay true to your inner guidance and to keep taking steps, however small, towards what feels meaningful and aligned for you. As we conclude our exploration of these 9 signs, it's important to remember that being a light worker isn't about fitting into a specific mold or meeting all of these criteria perfectly. These signs are guideposts, indicators that you might be called to this path. You might strongly resonate with some signs and less with others, or you might recognize these traits in yourself but express them in unique ways. Being a light worker is ultimately about recognizing your innate desire to bring more light into the world and choosing to act on it. It's about being willing to look within, to grow and evolve, and to use your unique gifts to make a positive difference. Whether you're an empath, a healer, a visionary, or simply someone who wants to spread kindness and compassion, you have the potential to be a powerful force for good in the world. If you've resonated with the signs we've discussed in this video, you might be wondering what to do next. The path of a light worker is deeply personal and can take many forms. Here are a few suggestions to help you explore further. First, take time for self-reflection. Consider how these signs show up in your life and what they mean to you. Journaling can be a helpful tool for this process, allowing you to explore your thoughts and feelings more deeply. Second, trust your intuition. As we discussed, intuition is a powerful guide for light workers. Pay attention to what feels right for you, what energizes you, and what seems to align with your sense of purpose. Third, continue to learn and grow. Read books, attend workshops, or seek out teachers who resonate with you. Remember, being a light worker is a journey of continuous growth and self-discovery. Fourth, start small. You don't need to change the world overnight. Look for small ways to bring more light into your daily life and the lives of those around you. Even small acts of kindness and compassion can have a ripple effect. Fifth, connect with others. Finding a community of like-minded individuals can provide support, inspiration, and opportunities for growth. Look for local groups or online communities that align with your interests and values. Sixth, take care of yourself. Being a light worker can be challenging at times, especially if you're sensitive to energies. Make self-care a priority, whether that means spending time in nature, practicing meditation, or simply ensuring you get enough rest. Lastly, be patient and compassionate with yourself. Recognizing and stepping into your role as a light worker is a process. It's okay to have doubts or to feel unsure at times. Trust that you're exactly where you need to be on your journey. Remember, being a light worker isn't about being perfect or having all the answers. It's about being willing to shine your light in whatever way feels authentic to you. Whether you're just beginning to explore this path or you've been on it for years, know that your presence and your efforts make a difference. As we come to the end of this video, we invite you to reflect on what being a light worker means to you. How do these signs show up in your life? What unique gifts do you bring to the world? We encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights might be just what another viewer needs to hear. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more content on personal growth and spiritual development. And remember, no matter where you are on your journey, you have the power to bring more light into the world. Thank you for watching, and may your path as a light worker be filled with joy, growth, and meaningful experiences.